So let's see how this little code works to bring some seconds from a video that you could have made. So let's see how it works. It will start asking you to take an mp4 as input, and then asks you from start from 0 seconds, for example, to 5 seconds, and you hit enter. And now it asks you if you want to overwrite, because I got another output file with the same name, so I want to overwrite it. And then it does the job. Let's see, the output file is this one called start of output mp4. And what is the one that I choose? Okay, let me run it again because I choose, I think, let's see, this one, this last, or this one, this last 1 minute, this last 1 minute, this one lasts 60 seconds. Okay, this one lasts 28 minutes. Let's take this, and let's say that we want the first 10 seconds, and then we overwrite the other one. Then we finished. Then we get the output file here. Okay. Okay, it worked, as you can see. And that is the little script. Very simple. You can also change it. You can also use this other slightly different code here that has the C copy inside of it, and check which one is the best. Let's take the output 0 again. So it's the same one that lasted, no, the output 4 lasted 28 minutes. Let's see, from 0 to 5. Let's see if this will ask you again if you want to overwrite the file. And let's see if there is some difference. I don't know if it's faster, but you can try both. And then the output file. Okay, and so this is how this works. Thank you. And of course I've used ffmpeg and just used Python to get the file, the name of the file, and the start and the end. Thank you.